YouTube channel. Today I'm going to poke the bird poop moth on my last video. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, I have to do this. He flew off. Wow. He's cool. Damn. Where'd he go? Oh, he disappeared again. Oh, there he is. There, he turned back into a piece of bird poop right here. You want to see us poke him again? Okay, well, he's not scary, don't you worry. See? He's cute. Aww. The bird poop moth. Look at him. That's the bird poop moth. And when he lands, he just turns into that little clump of bird poop. What's the thing? Oh, excuse me. No! Don't step on him. It's cool. No! Dana! Dana tried to eat him. Our dog. Do you want me to hold him? If you actually think you can hold him, sure.
Do you think he's poisonous?
Most likely not.
Where did that little guy go?
It's so cool. He just lands and turns into a piece of bird poop. Please subscribe. Bye. Oh, there he is, flying off. Bye.